How do you buy a home in Hawaii when you live thousands of miles away? And more importantly, how do you find a great realtor when you live thousands of miles away? This is the problem that I had when I came here back in 2003. And the industry's come quite a long way in helping you find a great house. But we haven't done very much to help you find a great real estate agent. For me, back in 2003, I ended up finding someone in an online message board. And when you think about it, what we have today really isn't that much different. People go onto Zillow or Realtor.com or some other source, and they look up carefully cultivated reviews, they look up 5-star ratings, and they think maybe I'm getting a great realtor. But do you know most of the agents that are promoted on those sites are only there because they pay that site the most money? You really don't get a good idea of the knowledge of your agent or how good they are at viewing a home for you. I've launched this channel to help people, no matter where they are, see what it's like to own in Hawaii. I take you inside houses and look at every nook and cranny, details that you don't normally see, things that you won't see online on Zillow. I have monthly in-depth market reviews going into deep dives on the data, and I also post what it's like to own here in Hawaii. I hope you subscribe, but more importantly, I hope to get your business and I hope you tell your friends about it. Take a look at some of the videos I have over here to see a little bit about what I do. I look forward to seeing you.